And go!
Fight it. And time. And time. Okay, that would be our first karate defense. We're just freaking grabbing arms and fighting it, not letting them get into it. You can get it sunk. We would take that one step further. You're also attacking at the same time, all that kind of stuff. But we've got like four different defenses for karate. Again, because karates are so scary. When I learned we had one, and the more we messed with it, the least faith I had in it. And it's kind of cool because coming up through the system, anything I didn't have a lot of faith in, or I felt, now, I'm at the point where I've got all these other answers, we can change things, we can tweak things. It's like, well, everything I felt uncomfortable with wasn't because I would practice them enough, which I thought was at the time, it's because it wasn't that good of an answer. The one we're going to learn first is the one that I learned first, the karate choke defense. As soon as he starts to put it on, I bury that chin, I reach back, since I'm going for my left, because that's where his grip is, my right's over it. I reach back to claw at his eyes, I grab it, and I rip on it.
Like a double punch.
Bingo. As I rip at his wrist, one more time. First thing is I bury. As it's coming around, I bury. I rip. I've got faith in this if it's early. Once it's on, not so much. But I've ripped. As soon as I rip, I pop with his shoulder. And we're taught, and everyone had trouble with this, and hence I don't have a lot of faith in it. As I pop, I got this little movie out of it, and now I can attack. Attack and beat them. Attack and beat them. One more time. As soon as I feel it, back, clinch, rip, pop my shoulder, get out, attack. By the numbers. If one is important enough to be the chin by itself, that's one. Ready? One. Now one is bury that chin and rip. Ready? One. Now one is bury the chin, rip, and pop the shoulder. One. Good. Punch that shoulder. Good. One. Now one is rip, pop the shoulder, and take that step and get out of there. Remember, their foot is there. It has to come real close to my left. Has to come real close to my right. So again, one is pop the shoulder and get out. Ready? Two, grab a hold and beat them into the ground. 1, 2. Get real low, throw your hips.